Michael, it's time for you to turn and burn in the sun, buddy. What we got here today is a little 2-pill amp number 1541. And Michael requested a remote kit for him that he could do on-off and sideband with it. Now Michael, just so you know, this little purple wire is ground. Everything else is done with your little cable. Now, I gave you about 25 feet of wire here, 20 feet of wire. Should be more than plenty. You said you're going to mount this in the trunk of your car. Now, I don't think I could pack a whole lot more inside this little cabinet. But it's all in there, bud. You got true sideband biasing, mirror board of course, sideband delay, remote plug, variable input, the whole shebang. If we go down here to the remote, that's on, that's sideband. Okay, now it's always in Class B. But first we're going to start out and we're going to establish where we're at in the world. So I got a 100 watt slug right now. It's in PEP, and let's get the switch over here into the 1X position. 100 watt slug. We're going to use a 1000 watt slug here in a minute. Got 1000 watt slug over here in RMS or average, depending on how you want to think about it. We're going to use the 66, the Siltronics in reverse, and the 955. Yay. Okay, so let's get with it. First we're going to show what we're putting into it for drive with the 66. Hello, audio, about 20 watts. Here's talking through the box. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, go to the remote, turn the amplifier on. And please note with the dead key of 1 watt and a variable wide open, it gets you a 60 watt dead key. And of course we were going to bury that in a corner, so let's go ahead and go down to 5X. So 100 watt slug is now reading like a 500 watt slug, so it's the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 scale that we're looking at. Hello, audio. Hello, BBI. Let's look at your input tune. Hello, 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 hello. Beautiful. Hang up the mic for the 66. And we're going to throw this to the side. Now we're going to drive this at about 80 watts. Okay? Click this back to 1X, PEP, and of course that one's in RMS as always. Or average. Hello. Got to shut the amp off. 955. Hello, audio. So you got it dead key in about a watt. Hello, audio. Swinging about 85, 90 into this box. We're going to turn on the little 2-pill. And what we're going to play with now is a variable. So that's all the way open. 50 watt dead hammer. So you can dead key all the way down to 10 watts with a 1 watt dead key. We'll put that on 5X now. It's reading like a 500 watt slug. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. That's 450 watts peak. And that's with a variable all the way down. Turn the variable all the way up. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. A little bit more than 500, about 525. Let's have some fun. Take that 1000 or 100 watt slug out. Click this back to 1X. 1000 watt slug. Put it in its hole. See where we end up. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. 525, 530 watts. Out of a little 2-pill in sideband. This thing is nasty as she wants to be. And what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate sideband operation. So we're going to go up here to the 955. We're going to click it down the lower sideband. Take the output power and turn it all the way up. Turn this box off completely. We're going to show you what we put in it for drive. Hello, audio. 50, 60 watts on sideband, right? Turn our sideband delay on. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. 480 watts. And just short of 300 on the peak average meter in sideband mode. Oh man. Hello, BBI. Hello, BBI. And listen to the relays chirping here. Click, relay on. That's your sideband delay. 1, 1, 1. Michael, I appreciate you giving me a call, man. Appreciate you letting me build this little tiny beautiful creation for you. Of course, as always, forced air cooled, baby. Laminate linear airflow through the cabinet. This thing's going to run and run and run for you, bud. Put a couple feet of power wire on it for you, and I think you're set up and ready to go. I'm going to slap the tins on it, and I'm going to give you a shot this evening. We'll get squared up, and it'll be in the mail on its way to you. Michael, you're 10-8, brother. Let me say this to everybody out there. I appreciate everybody's support. I appreciate all the wonderful builds that everybody's sending up here and letting me get to do for them. And I thank you, everybody, for your support. My name is BBI, and without a shadow of a doubt, I am the biggest mud duck in Idaho. Come check us out, www.bbiamps.com. I see you.